All right, behind me is the Detroit. This is one of our models. We don't show this a lot, and really, I can't tell you why we don't. I have always loved the container homes. I like it because if you don't put any wood on the outside of this thing, it is the way to go. It will last, what? Forever, almost.
My gosh.
So it's a container, it's solid.
Yep.
We've got a couple houses out here. We had a big storm, and the lady lived out, she said she didn't feel nothing. She didn't even know it was storming outside, right?
And this is an 8x40.
8x40 on a trailer, and it can be hauled with a 350, 450 truck.
Yep.
And you're gone. 3 axles, ready to go. You can transport this all over the country. It's almost like a big RV. Come on in here. Let me show you what we've done to this one.
And me, Randy, I would not change the outside.
No.
No.
Not at all.
I would not change the outside.
I'm just checking my mic. All right. So in this particular model, we've left the big doors. All right. If I can pull us all the way around. This is a fortress.
I mean, it is a fortress.
Think about it. This is a container. I love it. This is the way it came. This is the blue that it came. I love it because it's just industrial looking, right? That's why you buy a container. Now, a couple things about a container home. This one's got a sliding glass door on the end, which is not the main entrance because you got another exterior door on the other side. But come on in here.
I think almost every person that has purchased a Detroit from us, an 8x40, is they all put a sliding glass door in, didn't they?
Yeah, it is so nice to have that door because you're going to put a big deck out here.
Yes.
Can you imagine this on a lake or something?
Let me turn around and show that.
Let me turn this fan down a little bit.
Yeah, you're going to want a deck. Everybody wants to put a deck out there.
So this is the standard build of a Detroit.
Yes.
2 windows, sliding glass door, sofa. This is where your entertainment center usually goes. 2 plugs, switches. One thing that we've added, and we went up on the price a little bit, is because this unit requires 2 mini splits. Even though the square footage, one will do it, with the interior walls, the air will not get into here from the bedroom.
Right.
So we just raised this to 74.9.
Yep.
We'll put 2 mini splits, right?
Yep.
You guys, this is beautiful. You come in here, double the kitchen
of
any home.
Kitchen, yes.
So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cabinets, 2 countertops,
beautiful.
Range hood, cooktop, microwave stand, gooseneck sink, gooseneck faucet, farm style sink, countertops. Like I said, an exterior 36-inch door.
Yep.
All this comes in. You've got this little cabinet here, storage. This goes with your refrigerator. So you've got your kitchen, living room, all in one huge room.
I think we are to reiterate double the kitchen. Look at that. You get the counter space that you get.
This is more kitchen than any home we have.
Yes, absolutely.
All right. So come on in here. This is the bathroom. This will have a barn door. It comes across. As you come in the bathroom, you have your washer and dryer, stackable washer and dryer.
Yeah.
I'll wait for you to get in
big bathroom. Okay. Is there any? There's no lights.
No.
Here.
Oh, there you go.
Ever how we need to show it. There we go. Here is your bathroom. Big bathroom.
Stackable washer and dryer. This cabinet is where the water heater is.
Yes. Let me get over here.
Stackable water heater, and then of course your 36-inch shower here.
I'm standing where the washer and dryer would be. Oh my gosh, big bathroom.
Vanity. You know, this would be a great place for a dresser.
Absolutely. Put your clothes, everything.
Yeah. And then of course, you can put a closet. We've had people build closets on top of these. Cabinet shelves. There's a lot of room. Actually, there's a lot of space up high
to
put things.
Tall.
Yep. You got a window.
Container?
It's tall, Amanda.
It's really tall.
So they come 9.5 foot tall.
Okay.
And then we frame it, spray foam it, so it brings it down just a little, about 8 foot high.
Oh my gosh.
A little taller than 8 foot, actually.
I had forgotten how much space is in these 8x40.
I got a tape measure in here. You asked me.
Go ahead.
Bedroom.
Yes.
Mini split. There'll be a mini split here and in the living room. You got 2 windows, right? A barn door.
Yeah.
And this is your bedroom. Now, the thing about a container.
Okay.
These are high top containers, so they're taller. This is a 9.5 foot container. That's to the outside. We frame it so it's a little over 8 foot tall, so you get more volume in here. The width. Let me talk about the width. So behind this wall, we take an empty container, and the first thing we do after we cut out the openings for the windows, we'll spray foam it before there's any type of framing, right?
Yep.
So we spray foam it with about 1 inch of spray foam. Then we'll take 2x3s and we frame walls, ceiling, everything. We frame everything up. Now the reason we do that is so we can run our wiring, our plumbing, any necessary things behind the walls, all that is, and then we got something to nail our wood to.
Yeah. Which brings it in some.
Before we put this on here, we spray foam it again.
Okay.
Another 2 inches.
Super insulated.
The biggest thing about a container is sweating. If we spray foam this, and let's say up in this corner, we neglect to spray foam that big of space, just maybe a quarter
Tiny
size.
space.
It will drip condensation.
And it will mold.
I know because I know, all right? So it's very critical that when anybody does these container homes, especially what we do, is we make sure that these things are sprayed twice.
Yes,
all right?
yes.
Then we put these on there. Now, what I'm getting at is after we build these walls out, now you're 84 inches inside to inside.
Okay.
84 inches is 7 feet. So normally on a tiny home, just a regular tiny home, you got 91, 92 inches wide, right? This is only 84 because it's a container. So that's the only drawback about a container is the narrow this way. Now people have said, well, what about stacking them and adding them and all that? We don't do that.
No.
No, we build this. If there's something you want to buy two and you want to add them together, T-bone them, stack them, that'll be you guys. But we put these on a trailer. They're ready to head down the highway, right? You can pull them with a 350, a 450, and you can, it's like, can you imagine a 40-foot RV?
And you get
it's a big, heavy thing.
You get all this wood, the trim, all this stuff.
Yes, right. Done. This is completely turnkey, finished out.
They're trying to get us.
I know it.
I
So
know.
this is the Detroit. Go on our website, look at the model of the Detroit, see if you like it.
74.
74.9. I got to change the price because we're adding this dual unit mini split.
Another mini split.
All right.
Yes, absolutely. I love it.
Good. Well, we haven't shown this a lot.
Long time.
And I don't know why. This is a beautiful home.
I love it.
And it comes painted walls, polyurethane ceiling, and trim, ready to go.
And something really quick that I just noticed, we put sprinklers in our homes, correct?
Yeah, these are sprinkler systems. Actually, we had the, gosh, they're going to kill me.
Tennessee.
What, Amanda? Do you know? Who was it?
Tennessee, somebody? I don't know. I'm trying to help you out.
It's something to do with the fire.
Oh.
Anyway, they said they were so surprised that we put sprinkler systems in our homes.
Really?
And they were like, really? I said, yeah. I said, we put them in. And actually, we're thinking about putting some on the outside of the houses where need be.
Good.
So, yeah.
All right.
So I'm proud of the fact we put sprinkler systems in these homes.
Absolutely.
There you go. All right. Thank you to Detroit. Go to our website. Look at our models, if you will, right? And this is along with the Birmingham, the Lexington, the Charleston, and Detroit. Bye.